Hey y'all, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has been supporting this channel and helping us out. Wood by Wright has become so much more than I ever anticipated 3 years ago when I started this channel, and it is an amazing thing to watch happen. Now I want to say a huge thank you to those who've helped out on Patreon and helping out with buying t-shirts and card scrapers, but YouTube is now actually offering a new thing called YouTube membership, where you can become a member of the channel here on YouTube. Basically, it's a way that you can help the channel and get a few other perks along the way. Bonuses like live videos. So when I'm in here building something, I can turn on the camera and you can see how things are coming together live and ask me questions and get a little behind the scenes feel of what happens in the shop on a day-to-day basis. On top of that, all members get a special icon that goes beside your name so that when you comment in the chat, everyone knows you're a supporter of the channel and you're helping make Wood by Wright better than it is. But even if you can't help out by becoming a member, don't worry, Wood by Wright is still going to be here turning out 3 videos every week, showing you the joy of hand tools and the fun we're having in the shop. But for those of you who can help out, you're going to help make the channel a little bit better for everyone else. So if this is something that interests you, you can click the little join button down below the video and help out the channel, make everyone happy, help make Wood by Wright something even better than it is right now. So the question is, what in the world am I making? Honestly, nothing other than videos. I hope you like this. That's about it. Till next time, have a wonderful day.